I'm Nazim Saliji, and welcome back to the channel. I just want to start off by saying I'm very, very grateful for the following that I have up until now. Thank you guys very much for subscribing. I know I'm only at like 266, but for me, 266 people is like a small concert of people in front of me, and I'm just very grateful for even that. For you 266 individuals that are watching me so far right now, I'm very, very grateful, and I just thank you very much for watching, liking, commenting, and everything. Just I appreciate it very much. But in today's video, I'm gonna unbox my recent shoes that I picked up. Shout out to Bradie at Jimmy Jazz here at our local Jimmy Jazz. He's been hooking me up with some sneakers, and huge shout out to him. I can't take all the credit for everything, so I'm just gonna get right into the unboxing, guys. I got this first pair. I don't have my sneaker cam today. I can't locate the memory card for it, so I'm just gonna ride with this one camera. But I got two pairs of these. I got the other one right here. It's the Game Royal Jordan 1 Low. It's in a 5Y, and then I got a 5.5 wide, but it's a very clean shoe. It's got the wings logo on the back. It's stitched in. You got the Jumpman on the tongue here. You got a Jumpman on the insole. Black bottoms, and it's a nice Jordan 1 Game Royal Low. Definitely a nice summer and even fall shoe coming up. So I really like this colorway as well. Blue looks really good. The black bottoms are really nice as well. But yeah, I got two of these, and I got a couple other pairs right over here. For this next shoe, it's the Jordan 1 Satin Snake. So you got snake skin on the heel here, as well as the swoosh and all around the heel here. You got a satin tongue, Nike Air tag on the tongue. You got I think Nike Air branding on the insole. And the leather it's not the best leather, but hey, it gets the job done, right? Black bottoms, and I really like these shoes as well. The Jordan 1s are very, very popular right now. They're just flying off the shelves, and I really like this shoe. I like the set. I like the snake print. I don't know if maybe Nike was paying a little ode to Kobe Bryant, as you know, the Black Mamba with the black and snake skin. But if they didn't, they didn't. But if they did, I think that's really cool. But yeah, Jordan 1 satin snake skin, very nice Jordan 1 as well. And then I got one more right here. It is the Jordan 1 Tokyos. So the Tokyos, this toe box material, it's very soft, like buttery, and it's definitely not a suede, but it almost feels like a suede. And if it is a suede, then I don't know my materials. But you got a Wings logo here. It's covered in like a clear rubber, and then you got Nike Air branding on the tongue. You got on the inside Jumpman 2001 to 2020. On the inside here it says co.jp. I don't know if you guys can see that, but co.jp, the Tokyo Jordan 1s. So yeah, I got everything I got hooked up with. I paid resale on the Satin Snakes and the Tokyos, but he left me a little wiggle room so I can make content out of it, and I wouldn't be losing out of it. So I'm just grateful for my buddy Bradie, who works over at the Jimmy Jazz, and I'll leave his handle in the description box if you guys want to check his page out, or if you want to hit him up. He resells shoes. If you're in the Peoria, Illinois area, he can definitely help you out with recent releases. So but yeah, you got gray bottoms on these as well. But just another clean pair of Jordan 1s. 4 pairs of Jordan 1s in today's unboxing. I'm gonna be recording a video tomorrow as well, and I'll probably have it ready by, I don't know, in the next 2-3 days. But I'm doing a very cool collaborative video. I'm gonna be out in the community. I'm gonna be trying to help out and give back to a lot of people, and everybody involved doesn't know except for my camera guy, but it's gonna be a very exciting video. I'm really excited for it, so stay tuned for that, you guys. It'll be out in a few days. But thanks again to everybody for watching up until now, everybody that subscribed. I'm very, very grateful. You know, sometimes I rack my brain on how I can get more subs, and I don't want to sound greedy, so I'm just very grateful for the subs that I do have, and I don't even want to say subs, for the people that are watching me and supporting me. You're not a number to me. You're everything for this channel. It's not about me, it's about you guys. So I'm deeply appreciative. So thank you very much for watching once again, if you've made it this far, and stay tuned for the next video. And I hope you guys are staying safe and just, you know, taking care of everybody that you should be taking care of. And I'll see you guys hopefully in the next video. Have a good one. Peace.